In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your recently added friends on Facebook. So what you want to do is you want to open up Facebook, go to the bottom right on your menu, click on Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Settings. And then scroll down until you see Activity Log. So this will basically give you a long list of all the things you have done. Then just go to the search at the top right, and then you can just type in friends, and we can see your friends, removed friends. Click on removed friends, and you can see who have you removed as a friend, and then you can click on it to delete that notification or activity. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.